One of Jamaica's most wanted men killed by the police on Sunday. A man described as one of the country's most wanted was shot and killed by the police in Discovery Bay, St. Anne on Sunday, March 20. 29-year-old Ainsley Woodburn, also known as Shortman, who hails from Belfont district in Catadupa, St. James, was on the run since escaping from the Freeport police lockup in St. James last October. At the time of his escape, he was in custody for 6 murders and several shooting incidents. Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Allen, commanding officer for the Area 2 Police, said that Woodburn pointed a firearm at the police and was shot. According to ACP Allen, the police, acting on intelligence, went to the Bel-Air Meadows community in Discovery Bay in pursuit of Woodburn, and there the fugitive opened fire at the police. The police returned the fire and he was hit. He was rushed to the hospital where he succumbed to his injury. The senior cop reported that a 9mm Glock pistol and a magazine containing 7 rounds were recovered in the operation.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!